This, I mean, the Aussie has become one of our favorite pairs because it has been so transparent, it has been so obvious, and it has been so fairly easy to trade because it has been moving, as you can see, those structure points, the 104.73, the 104.43, the 103.94. It has been moving so well, as you can see, between those three significant points, so magnificently well. It gets to the 103.94, it stops and it goes to the 104.43 and it stops, it comes back, and then it goes to the 104.73 and it stops, and it comes back and it stops, lands on the 104.43. It is just being harmonic, going very well between those numbers. So right now we are at 104.87. This was the close of the day. We are above the 104.73 structural point. Therefore, we are only going to short it below the 104.73. So our short entry is clear. We are going to go short below the 104.73. This is going to be our structural short point and our stop. That's the easy part of the trade. On the long part of the trade, we need to find a place where we are going to buy. We are already above the 104.73, so we want to be buyers. But as you have seen, looking at the daily chart, you can see how small the ranges are, how tight. I mean, the whole range of the day, the high is 104.96, the low is 104.60. So it's the whole day traded within 35 pips. The whole range of the day. This is how equilibrium is. The whole US economy and the whole Australian economy has traded within 30 pips during the whole day. This is equilibrium. This is what I was telling you about. So where are we going to buy this? We're looking at a neutral market, so we're going to take the closest high or the closest buy signal. So it's going to be the high of the day. So we're going to buy it above the 104.96, which is 12 pips away from where we are right now. So this is the high of the day. This is the high of the day right there, 104.96. So we were going to buy it above the 104.96. This will be our buying point. And if I buy it above 104.96 from here, this is the only place I can place my stop, is 104.73. So I'm buying it above 104.96. My stop is going to be the 104.73. That's going to be my stop. And the next structural point I'm going to get from the daily chart technically, if I'm going to take a structure point, it's going to be around the 105. But I want you to see this. And the reason I'm doing this, again, I'm changing the style. And I'm changing the style simply because the market condition is different. Look at Thursday's high is 105.18. And look at this daily high is pretty much, which the market stopped before, is exactly 105.18. So this has been observed pretty much. So I'm going to call it a significant point, not a structural point. It is something, it's a point where a market that's in equilibrium might tend to be stopped there, or the people that are non-directional with the Aussie can come in and sell the Aussie there. So the significant point that is going to be with the pound Aussie is going to be the 105.18. Right? So for the Aussie dollar, we are going to buy the Aussie above the 104.96. If I do, I have a significant point at 105.18, and my stop is going to be the 104.73. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the 104.73. That's going to be my structural short point and my short stop. Okay. Wow, we passed above the hour, so